You open this video because you're drowning in notes. They're scattered across 3 apps. Or you're tired of paying for features you don't use. Here's the truth. The best note app isn't about having the most features. It's about actually using it. In this video, I'm walking you through 7 of the best free options in 2026, explaining honestly what makes each one worth using, and helping you pick the right one for your life. Before we dive in, let's clear up what AI note-taking even means. Most free apps don't have AI baked in. They're just good at organizing. Real AI features like summarization, key point extraction, and transcription usually cost money. I'm focusing on apps that either have genuine AI or can integrate it cheaply. If you just want a solid free note app with zero AI, you'll find your answer here too. If I had to pick one free note app for everyone, it's Obsidian. Completely free, works offline. Your notes stay on your device, not some company's server. It uses Markdown, which sounds scary, but it's just text with simple symbols. The superpower, linking. Connect notes and see relationships visually. For students and professionals building a knowledge base over time, this is genuinely powerful. Downside? Learning curve is real, no native mobile app, and you manage your own storage. But spend a weekend learning it and it pays you back tenfold. If you want useful AI features, you have 2 paths. NotebookLM from Google is completely free, designed specifically for note-taking and research. The AI summarizes, extracts key points, and generates ideas from your notes. It's genuinely helpful. Start here if you're a student or researcher. Notion is the other path. Free plan exists, but real AI needs Notion AI at $8 a month. Notion is way more powerful as a platform. Databases, wikis, project management. More complex, steeper learning curve. My call? Start with NotebookLM if you're just taking notes. Move to Notion if you're building a whole workspace. If you need your notes on your phone, laptop, and tablet, all synced instantly, OneNote is the free answer. It's Microsoft's Note app, and it just works. Write something on your phone. It appears on your laptop within seconds. Not fancy, but reliable. If you're already in the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, Outlook, Word, Teams, it integrates seamlessly. The drawback? Your notes live on Microsoft's servers, not locally. If that doesn't bother you, OneNote is a solid choice. If privacy is your priority, you don't want notes on anyone else's servers, Joplin is it. Open source, completely free, you control where notes are stored. Keep them locally or sync to your own server. The interface isn't as pretty as Notion or OneNote, but it's functional and works. For journalists, lawyers, therapists, or anyone with confidential information, this option actually matters. You own your data completely. No compromise. Here's the mistake everyone makes. They pick a new app and immediately try to recreate their old app's structure inside it. If you switch from Notion to Obsidian, you can't port your database structure over. It won't work the same way. If you go to OneNote from Apple Notes, you'll fight the tool instead of working with it. Instead, give yourself permission to use the new app as it's designed. Spend 1 hour exploring, then build around that. Most people abandon apps not because they're bad, but because they're using them wrong. Here's your decision framework. You want power and willing to learn? Obsidian. Want AI that works immediately with zero learning curve? NotebookLM. Need seamless syncing across devices and already in Microsoft? OneNote. Privacy is non-negotiable? Joplin. Just starting out and want simple? Apple Notes or basic Notion. But here's the truth. The best note app is the one you'll actually use. Pick one from this list, commit to using it for 1 full month, and see if it sticks. Give it a real chance. Most people flip apps too fast. 1 month. That's your test. All right. You now have everything you need. I've linked side-by-side comparisons, setup guides for each app, and a full decision checklist in the description. Grab those and get started today. All 7 apps are linked in the video description so you can install and start taking notes right now. That description link will also take you to our comparison tool, updated for 2026. What note-taking feature can't you live without? Comment below and we will build it.